All right, there they are, the dynamic duo. I have breaking news.
What's that news?
So I've been with Josh, we're going over things and figuring out the videos and all that kind of stuff. And so I found a video from a long time ago, 2024. And I've titled it, what's the future? Is the future, because it was the supply chain issues and couldn't get nothing, people here. And so we had AI kind of do the description and all that kind of stuff and made the feature post picture. It decided to take Fast Eddie and make him look really old.
You ain't.
And
Because
it
I
said,
am.
here's the thing, and then it put a like tired look on your face, like, oh, we're wore out. Where's the future? Yeah, the future of hot rodding. So I've been messing with that.
It didn't do us any justice, is what you're saying?
Well, this is pre-you.
Right.
So this is like an old.
I didn't age.
Well, so we
told
added
you,
we added hashtags, and we added descriptions, and which I haven't been doing. In the morning, I do the edit real quick before
Hey,
and then I just put Spear Cards update and
I tell a
yesterday's
little
date.
woman all the time, I go look in the mirror, it's haunted. There's an
Old man looking back.
Yeah.
So another thing, if you're watching this is the breaking news. A lot of people say they can't wait. First thing in the morning, they get up and they're ready for the video. Well, our prime viewership is about 4 o'clock to 7. So it says put the video up at 3 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
So if I do the videos, you guys are mostly done by 2:30. I can edit the video here, get it done, give it to Josh. He can put the hashtags and the links so people can come to the thing and see what.
Okay.
So that's the breaking news.
Yeah.
So what are we looking at here?
I was looking,
We don't do these.
sure we do, it's here. Isn't it?
I know.
No,
Russell, this is a favor.
yeah.
So you guys are looking at, we got to do the
Well,
brake pedal.
It was named
Yeah,
yesterday
and
also.
I think,
Did he get a name?
yeah. I think this joint's too much of a bind.
Oh, yeah.
We need to shorten this and put it up
Yeah,
about
yeah,
here.
for sure.
Yeah, because it's got one here. I mean, that's just too much.
Yeah,
Did you
that's
say steering lock
yeah.
on
I
somebody's
think
once?
I think 12 or 14 degrees is
Yeah,
the
that's,
most,
that's just a little
and
much.
that is way too much.
Yeah, we got to cut a brake hole.
Did you
Gotta
tell
put the
him
brake
that, or?
pedal. Yeah, I told him.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we don't have to do much. You just got to put it.
Yeah,
well,
that's all we're doing to it.
We'll get
yeah.
Daryl to do that and fix that.
Yeah,
So I want to go. Hey, that's pretty cool.
that's a heck of a ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just got through putting the radiator and everything on it before he brought it up here.
Uh huh. Well, let's go check out the Colonel though.
Well,
I'm sure everybody's wanting to see what the Colonel's up to.
okay.
Yep. The fans are off, so you're gonna melt.
Yeah.
So everything's covered here.
Anyhow, I went back in here and put some more pieces,
Uh huh.
to screw to. And of course, this goes here
Uh-huh.
like that.
I can screw to
Covers
that.
it all up. And, yeah, this contraption here, I made it, and then I had to figure out how to cover it. See, it's got that knot in it right there
Uh-huh.
for the ignition
Oh, yeah.
switch. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyhow,
You can kind of see that it's
yeah.
dishes down there a little
Read
bit.
in some more wires where you can get into them easier.
Well, there's that pocket you were talking about the
Yeah.
other day.
Anyway, we go right here. I don't know what to do with my little Doomafod. There it is. Little Doomafod.
Okay.
Anyhow, I've got it where it'll just slip right down in there. And this will be up under the dash, up to about.
This is
Here.
pretty low. You won't see any of these wires.
No.
I mean, when you're looking down about
Yeah.
like that.
But anyway, yeah. And this will just go back up
Tuck
in here.
up in there.
Tuck up in there. And I don't know how many times you got to set it, but anyway, it's handy. And,
Then you got your fancy dancy
yeah, then. Well, I think we just done to show
fuse,
Dad.
yeah,
the-
fuse block cover. Well, maybe
Fuse block
somebody didn't see it
cover.
yesterday. So that'll
Yeah.
go up in there, let you get at your fuse block.
Yep.
So this is all ready to just go put back together.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna put it back together right now.
Not until we got to start and going and do
Yeah,
it.
we make sure the air conditioning
Yep.
lines don't,
Yep.
everything works. So
Well, good.
yeah, so I got that done.
And we got the box done for overhead. So
Oh yeah,
that looks really good.
yeah. I decided to do that light inside. It'd be a little easier to find stuff than
Yep.
being black inside there. You know.
Yeah. So I'm gonna switch gears.
Yeah.
Do a C-cab seat and stuff, and a couple of
All right,
34
I'm-
grill shelves.
I'm ready to get off this thing for a little while. Been watered up under that dash for 2 or 3 weeks.
Well, we're still waiting on China brand parts and other parts. Some low car stuff came today for Rex's car.
Oh, it did?
So that was good. The steering wheel and a couple things.
Yeah.
But I'm not putting Gibby over there till we got a big pile of parts so we can just get serious about it.
Just get serious about it. Yeah.
Got some parts for Robin, so we're getting all that. We're gonna hustle all that through.
Good.
And then
Good deal.
yeah, getting there.
Getting there.
So I'm gonna go check on the boy. I've been in the body shop basically today.
Yeah.
Doing my stuff in the body shop.
Right.
I was up to the glass shop earlier.
Right.
Moving ahead with Jenny.
Yeah.
You'll see Jenny here soon in the pictures.
I seen the boys got their string glass in this morning, so.
Yep. I see Alan made a post the other day. He's getting kind of anxious.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I think Josh explained, we're trying to go in order. This is like old, been here a while.
Yeah.
They all been here a while.
Yeah.
So we got a couple of them going out that's been here a while soon, and then we're gonna, Alan's is one of the next one, and so is Arnie.
Trying to get them done.
Alan and Arnie are both the next two big cars that need to be done.
Yeah.
And then there's a lot of people want us to build turnkey cars.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm gonna try that new format. We're gonna start doing the hashtags. We're gonna do all this stuff.
Okay.
And then if we start getting too many views again, I'll undo the way we're doing it.
Right.
I don't want to stop doing videos, which we did for a while.
Right, we did, yeah.
We did for a year because we were too busy.
A guy stopped by today and mentioned it. There was a while we didn't do them, and yeah.
But I don't want to stop doing them. It doesn't take that much for me to just pull the camera out.
Walk around, yeah.
And I can actually work while I'm doing it.
That's a lot easier. Remember, you used to have a little camera you set up.
And then it was live, and everything had to be quiet. And we had to make sure we had a connection, and I had to wait for Josh to come down and do it. So I needed to.
Yeah.
So if I had somebody full time to do that, that'd be different. But I don't. So there's a big description.
Yeah.
There's what's going on here. Let's go
Yep.
check on the boys in the body shop now. Okay, everybody, you're gonna have to be quiet now because I just heard a rumor. It's almost quitting time. And Gibby is taking a nap in the front office. Here he is. We don't want to wake him up. Be quiet, quiet. I wonder if he snores. Oh yeah, with his mouth open. I wonder if we put something in his mouth, it would wake him up. I think we're still good. Uh-oh, he's got an itch. All right, we'll let Gibby rest. He must have had a rough night last night. No, we didn't wake him. We were all very quiet. Nobody was hollering and screaming. So he's in there. He kind of got a little restless for a second. If I'd have had some mustard, I would have put a little dab on his tongue, but I didn't. So 32 Roadster, getting her done. Another Model A Sedan, getting her done. Got a 34, putting doors on. This is what Gibby was up to before lunch, and it wore him out, I guess, this morning. A lot of work putting these door skins on. So anyway, 34, get her done. Pure Insanity, getting her done. Oh, I got to get him a router. My router tore up. I'm going to go buy him a router tonight. This is a 32. We got the dash installed. This is not exactly the way the dash came in the 32 Roadster, but I don't care. I like this one a lot better. So that's our 32 dash. We got to put the outer skin on this one. We got several 32s to get built, and this is just one of them. But we are offering the 32 now. After all the years of being in business, we didn't offer a 32 until fairly recently. So if you're looking for a 32 Roadster, we have it. We also have a Model A Roadster. And there's a couple cars waiting on Dave. 23, 27. These aren't turnkeys. These are just super kits. We're going to assemble the chassis in that. So I'm going to get back to working on the door.
Right on.
And you can work on your doors.
I'll have these on there.
And then we'll say good night, Gibby.
Yeah, we might as well say good night now, haven't we? Good night, Gibby.
I think we will. So this will be a short video. So I wonder if they hear us. Good night, Gibby. Oh, I have a plan. We've said goodnight,
Send anything
They
in?
don't have no
but I got a good plan.
Oh, they're out. That's what it
This
was.
is our handy dandy, really big, tall R&E guy.
I'm David, and this is Goliath.
Yes, exactly. So, did you come in through the front office?
No, I came in through the side.
Okay, well, if you go through the front office when you leave, no, shh, no.
Slam
No,
the door?
No, shh. There you go. Anyway, there's a big lump on the couch there.
Uh-huh.
Make a massive amount of noise.
Okay.
And it would be all right if you bumped into the couch enough to knock the lump off into the
Okay.
floor.
Maybe sit on the couch and say, "Oh, I didn't know you was there."
Yeah, it's
Or
air
just drop
conditioned.
something on him.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, that would help. That'd be
Okay.
helpful. Because I want to be a nice guy. I don't want to. I don't want to.
You're gonna follow a video of this, aren't you?
Oh no. I'm gonna get him coming back here yawning. Don't let him know that we know he was sleeping.